Hey everyone, welcome back. This is part 2 of the 6 videos on 30 vegetable recipes. Today I'll be making 5 different vegetable rice recipes with potato, corn, cauliflower, yam and chili. If you are looking for a specific rice recipe, the time slots are given in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get started. These are some of the benefits of potato. Ingredients to make potato rice or URULAIKILANGU SADAM. To make potato rice, first let's fry the potatoes. Here I've got 2 potatoes cut into small cubes. To this I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 1/2 tablespoons of yellow corn flour, also called cornmeal. If you don't have cornmeal, no worries, you can also use the regular white corn flour. To this, add 2 tablespoons of water, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. In a pan, add enough oil for frying on a medium-high heat. Add the potatoes, fry and keep them aside. This will take around 3 minutes to fry. Into a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard, cumin and fennel seeds. Add a sprig of curry leaves. Saute this for a while. To this, add a tablespoon of both gram dal and black gram dal. 8 to 10 cashew nuts. Fry this for about 30 seconds. I'm adding a tablespoon of chopped garlic cloves, 1/2 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Fry until the raw flavor goes away. This is 12 shallots finely chopped. Fry this for a minute. Add 2 green chilies finely chopped. Add a teaspoon of salt. Give a mix. To this, add a cup of cooked rice and the fried potatoes. Combine everything well. Finally, a tablespoon of lemon juice, some coriander leaves, a teaspoon of flax seeds. Flax seeds are loaded with nutrients, omega-3 and many more. So, add this in your daily diet. Got a cup of pomegranate seeds. Give everything a nice mix. Potato rice is ready. Serve hot. Some of the benefits of corn. Our second recipe is sweet corn pulao or chola sadam. To make sweet corn rice, into a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, cinnamon sticks, cardamom, cloves and a bay leaf. A few curry leaves, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Saute this for a while. 10 shallots, finely chopped. Add a cup of sweet corn. Saute all these for a minute. I'm adding a cup of basmati rice. Saute this for a minute or two. When you cook rice in an open pan, for 1 cup of rice, add 2 cups of water. When you cook in the pressure cooker, for 1 cup of rice, add 1.5 cups of water. That would be sufficient. Add a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of water. A teaspoon of red chilli flakes. Cover and cook for 10 minutes or keep for 1 whistle. It's been 10 minutes now. Let's check out our corn rice. Cooked perfectly. Finally, add some chopped coriander leaves, a teaspoon of flaxseed powder, half a teaspoon of chaat masala powder. Give everything a nice mix. For extra aroma and taste, add a tablespoon of butter. Give it a quick toss and serve hot. These are the ingredients to make cauliflower rice. To make cauliflower rice, add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Season this with half a teaspoon of both mustard and cumin seeds. Let's wait for the mustard seeds to crackle. To this, add 10 cashew nuts. Fry this for 30 seconds. Add few curry leaves, 3 to 4 green chilies. Add chilies according to your taste. This is 12 shallots finely chopped. Saute this for a minute. Add a tablespoon of chopped garlic, half a teaspoon of chopped ginger. I'm adding a cup of grated cauliflower. Fry this for a minute or two. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida powder. I'm adding a cup of cooked rice. Mix everything well until well combined. Turn off the flame and add 1/4 cup of grated coconut, some coriander leaves. Add a teaspoon of flaxseed powder. Give everything a good mix. Healthy cauliflower coconut rice is ready. These are some of the benefits of yam. These are the ingredients to make taro root yam or sepakarangu. First let's fry yam. This is 450 grams. To this I'm adding a tablespoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, add a tablespoon of water, combine everything well. In this oil I fried potatoes little earlier. I'm going to fry yam in the same oil. This will take 3 to 4 minutes. Fry and keep them aside. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard and cumin seeds. Wait for the mustard seeds to splutter. Add a tablespoon of gram dal and black gram dal, 2 tablespoons of groundnut. Fry all this on a low medium heat for a minute. I'm adding 1 onion, few curry leaves. Saute this for a minute. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute this for a minute or until the rawness goes away. Add a tomato, cook for a minute. To this I'm adding a tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well and cook for a minute or two. In this stage, add fried yam, a cup of cooked rice. Combine everything well. Turn off the flame and add half a teaspoon of lemon juice, some coriander leaves, a teaspoon of flaxseed powder. Give everything a quick mix. These are the ingredients to make chili rice. To make mixed chili rice or pepper rice, add 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add some cumin seeds. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. Fry this on a low flame until it turns light golden in color. To this add 1 chopped onion. Fry this for a minute. Add 2 pinch of turmeric powder. Fry this for a while. I'm using 3 types of chilies or pepper. They are not pungent, but the flavors are amazing. You can use any pepper of your liking. Just saute this for a few seconds. Add a cup of cooked rice, give it a good mix. Pepper rice is almost done. Add a teaspoon of flaxseed powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, some coriander leaves, a dash of lemon juice. Give everything a nice mix. Flavorful pepper rice is done. Serve hot. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. In part 3 of this vegetable recipe series, I'll be showing you how to make 5 different types of soup. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.